fucked up, man. Star. Three triangular. That one has moved. Where's the star? There's the star. Well, the only thing I can think is they're fucking police helicopters. And there's something behind that cloud. Or military helicopters, because there's a military base quite nearby. You always hear the F-15s and 16s. There's definitely something behind those clouds. Well, I don't know if it's clear by the video, but you can clearly see something shooting across the sky quite fast. Not tremendously fast like you see in the movies, but faster than a plane would go. I can only think that there's a military air base, it's American. It's quite possible there's nuclear weapons there. I'm just not sure. I wasn't sure if I was looking at flashing lights because they're aliens. That's clearly helicopters. And then I saw the light go across the sky, which I would think would be AWACS, but it went too fast to be AWACS. AWACS is a big Hercules type aircraft. So what could it be? They're clearly doing something with the clouds, studying the clouds, or maybe they're waiting for the heavens to open up, hell to freeze over. Earth is hell. I don't know. I just woke up and I went to the back door for a cigarette, and something told me to look up in the sky, as I normally do, and then I saw three triangular flashy lights, and then one came out of nowhere. I have to watch the video. I don't think you can see it very well, but one came out of nowhere, flew towards one of the triangular formation helicopters, which are probably what are they called? I can't remember what they're called. Apaches, and then it disappeared. And then one of the helicopters disappeared as well. It started floating up. Very strange. Of course, you can't see it normally because it's a cloud cover, but I saw it clear as day then.